Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create an AI agent that's going to track and predict customer purchases. It's going to use the consumer previous purchase behavior, and from that purchase behavior, it's going to drive or deduce if the customer is going to be a repeat purchase or not. So we're going to use machine learning, and we're going to use decision tree classifier as the model to use, and I'm going to plot it out using matplotlib. So let's go ahead and show it. So first step is to import libraries. So what we need to do here is to import from scikit-learn. We want to import decision tree classifier, and we want to plot the tree, so we're going to do plot tree here. Then we're going to also import pandas spd, because I'm going to use a data set here. Import matplotlib. Perfect. Secondly, what I need to do, I want to create a dataset. Now, if you are using a database, then you can connect your Python code to a database, then you can import that data, or maybe it's an Excel file, or maybe the CVS file, whatever file format it is. But I will just create a simple dataset here. So my data, I want to use 4 items here. So edge. So this is my data here. So I'll say randomly 25, 30, 45, 35, 22, and 40. That's our first data point. Second data point is income. So let's say 50,000. We're talking per year here. 60,000, 80,000. Let me go down. 35,000. Actually, let me keep on going here. 120,000. Then 35,000 and 90,000. Perfect. Let me do another one. So I want to track if the customer has bought before. So this will be Boolean. So it will be 0, and 1. 0 which is no, 1 which is yes. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Then now, buy. This is the past behavior. So it will be, I'll just say 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1. Perfect. Then I close it. Let me check to see. Let me check to see if it's perfect. All right, so I'll take this printout, and let's go ahead and do. So our data frame is equals to PD data. So I'm going to use the data that we have. Perfecto. So step 3. We want to define our features and target. This is where we define our x and y variables. So our x variable here is, of course, from our data frame. We want to look at edge. We want to look at edge, income, and bought before. Then buy will be our target. Perfect. So to do that data frame, what we need to do, so we have edge, we have income, and we have bought before. Perfect. Then our y, so our data frame, of course. Then we have buy. Perfect. Then run this one, this cell. Perfect. Type error. Okay, data frame isn't callable. Let's see. df. Okay, yeah, this is the issue. Then this should go through. Perfect. Right, let's do now. We need to train. Step 4, train our model. So to train our model, what we do is to model is equals to, remember we put decision tree right here on the right here, decision tree classifier. This is our model. So you can copy it from here, but I can just do classifier. Our depth, we want to keep it simple, so I'll just set it to max depth. of 3, random state 42. Then we do model.fit, then our X and our Y target. Perfect. Now, what we need to do is to visualize the results. So step 5. Our step 5 is visualization. Perfect. So POT, which is matplotlib, what figure do we want in this? So the fig size here, we specify, I prefer 10 and 6 here. Then we do the plot tree. When we saw our model, feature names is equals to our train dataset. So x.columns, class names is equals to, we want to do no, and also want to do yes. Perfect. Then what we do is want to fill it. So when I do field is equals to true. Perfect. I want to also plot the title. Decision tree. Simple example. Then what we need to do is to show it. Perfecto. So I'm going to run this cell. Boom. All right. So here are the results. Basically, I've used the dataset to check to see if someone is age 25 and they earn 50,000 and they've never bought before. Are they able to buy? Yes, buy our product. If someone 30 years earns 60 and they've bought before, are they able to buy one more time? Yes, they are able. So we're going to use this datasets to predict our future purchases. And our model shows that if the income is less than 50,000, the Gini is 0.4. So basically, they won't be able to buy if the income is less than 50. Those with the greater than 50, they're able to buy. And also, it puts into consideration the age and their previous purchase history. Thank you for watching. That's how you can influence your decision making using machine learning. Thank you and bye bye.